Kesorkar India kala shim kasin jam baningkong ban penslur ki kenthei ban shim banta ha ki jinga Mareh menta usnam 8,000 phulai kala penlong ki Jingiakop Mareh ki kenthei kabala tip kung ka Khelo India Women's League. Meghalaya Athletic Association ru ha ka khat pratrik unai lur 8,000 phulai kala penlong de Jingiakop Mareh kabala wan ya shim banta tang de ki kenthei kabala sedang na phalau ko Sports Authority of India kabadon hanehu. Hakani Jingiakop Mareh la flag off ya kani kalama deka kongsan ka kong bansaralin dekhar kabade ka international athlete and Asian medalist bad haka joka por kabade ka coach joka archery haka jingya don rekat lang uba finally pariat secretary ka Meghalaya Athletic Association. Hakani Jingiakop Mareh lawan ban shimenta lai phongot ki kenthei haka jingjingai ka basan kilometer pat lai kilometer. Kinong job haka Jingiakop Mareh basan kilometer ya ka nam baningkong la job da ka Barisha khamdej rengkat ka song pisa ba ar hajar san spa tengka bat ka gold medal bat ka ba ar da ka meli bat kro bat ka yoru ka song pisa ba khat san spa tengka bat silver medal bat balai da ka meda roy biam ka song pisa ba 6,000 tengka bat ka bronze medal kat ba hakalai kilometer pan ya ka nam baningkong la job da ka Bethlyne Makri barka song pisa ka ba 8,000 sans pa tengka barka gold medal ka ba ar layo da ka barihun kharjarin barka song pisa ba khat sans pa tengka barka silver medal barka balai da ka Barisha klen bat 6,000 tengka barka bronze medal.
Come on, girls!
ये पहला ये ना ठीक है चल Bethlyne
please. Okay, here began. The cash prize of 1,000 rupees. Second prize goes to Mela Smita Khelo India, run by the Ministry of Sport and the Directorate of Sai Delhi. So they want to promote women. So we are thankful to you for coming. We have here Kong Bansara, who is a renowned international archer, represented Asia in Asia and the World Championship different. We can't mention all. We're happy to have here. We have Badip, Secretary MP, also the member of the Meghalaya State Olympic, but present our assistant chief coach of the Meghalaya Athletic Association. So wish you all the best. This is a run mostly not for fun, but it should be giving the medals certificate, also given by the Delhi only. So it's a very important certificate for your career, and also we have the medals and also the cash prize from the association, just a small encouragement. So we wish you all the best. We'll start first the 5K. So I think everybody is fit, no? No sickness, otherwise we didn't sign any form. So please, so this now Kong Bansra will flag off. So the run will start first with 5K, and I will ask President Coach to explain the route first.